in today's video, guys, I will be showing to you the upcoming or the new feature in my DeFi pet, and it is called Arena. So you will be able to play it this Q4 of 2021. But of course, before I start into this video and a tutorial, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so my DeFi pet again is a play to earn blockchain game that you can play whether you are using a Binance Smart Chain or a Kardiachain network. So it works for two networks as well. And let's just move forward into this arena. So you will be able to see the arena button or the arena function into the left side of your screen. You're just going to click this and you see arena challenge other players for seasonal rewards. So let's just go to the arena, and there's a loading part over here. And this is the actual look of the arena. So I guess that there are more than 3, 5, 8, 14, 10. I'm not sure if this is a party of 14 D pets for every battle, but we can look forward here into this I button. So it's more like the information. So the general rule is that you need to create two lineup. First one is the offensive. So when you search for other players to attack, you will use this lineup. And for the defensive lineup, when other players search for rivals to attack, they will meet this lineup. So you earn more trophy when you win a match in PvP and vice versa. So the more trophy that you will earn, the higher rank that you will reach. Okay, so trophy will reset by season. So this is a seasonal stuff of like a PvP, more like an Axie Infinity. Like there is a season 19, season 18, then they're going to give away some AXS, and the reward will be based on your rank of the season. So right now it is not yet revealed. Let's see if there is a revelation of the rewards, but right now there's no revelation on the rewards. So for the battlefield, the higher rank you reach, the more pets you can deploy to the PvP battlefield. For example, for the rank 1, you can only deploy 3 pets, okay, with the battlefield by 3 by 3, okay? And you can get, or you can deploy up to 20 pets if you have a lot of pets with a battlefield of 8 by 8, okay? So of course, if you are leveling up, the difficulty is also going up because there are a lot of people that are grinding. There are a lot of people that has this kind of pets and everything. And also this is a strategy game. It is a chess game, more like you need to you really need to think what your opponent will do, okay? So you just gotta be prepared for that, okay? So let's move forward into the third page of this information. So for the pet stats, okay, so this is the hit points, the critical, the attack, and attack speed, okay? So this is more like a basic information about the pet stats, and you will be able to see your statistics when you go back into your main lobby. So you're just going to go back here, and then let's move into this part over here, and let me just click this real quick, okay? You will be able to see every single attack, critical, attack speed, and the HP of your D-pet or my DeFi pets, okay? So that is the reason why it is very important for you to also upgrade every single pets that you have, because if you are upgrading it, okay, let me just show it to you real quick, okay? Let's pick something that is really low rank. So you see this is 352, 13 critical, 100 attack speed, and 1639. So let's fit this one. And as you can see here, you see that there's a difference of every single stat. So you're just going to farm and farm and farm. You want to feed and feed and feed all of your D-pets over here, like what I'm doing right now, okay? So let's just feed this, okay? Do not let your food stack that much unless you have a plan on where you want to put it. So let's just go back again into the arena portion. So I'm just going to go back into the arena, and let's go forward into the last part of the last page of this information, okay? So there are actually 6 elements in the game. So each pet will be bound to one element, and when you attack an element, you have an advantage which deals 20% bonus damage, okay? So this is the element. So if you have this pet or characters inside my DeFi pet, this is the elements that they hold. So I think I do not have Pandaren and Aoshun. I guess these two are pretty much rarer than these four, because we know that wind, earth, water, and fire is pretty much rare. And this one, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to ask someone how you will be able to get an Aoshun or Pandaren. I think this is going to be at the later stages of the game. Maybe this is an epic pet. You just need you won't be able to get it into a normal hatching, okay? And that's pretty much it for the arena, okay? The sad thing here is that I still can't able to put my pets into these hunting center over here. So these 5 pets over here are already approved. And if I'm going to click this part over here, okay, it says go hunt, and it's not actually going through. So there's a lot of bugs going on here. I guess their move is more likely they want to deploy every single stuff, and then they might be focused on a month or two just specifically for the bugs. But I just really feel that this is pretty much low. But I guess I'm not a blockchain developer. I know that there are a lot of hardships and difficulties when you are developing a game in blockchain, since it's a lot more different from the traditional gaming, because this is a play to earn. So I guess let's just give them a time for them to improve the game, for them to fix all of these bugs and changes, so that there will be a lot of people that are going to go back in my DeFi pet soon again. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.